Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to check the IMEi number of this device. So I'd like to start with the fastest way, which requires entering a secret code, and after that I'll show you how to find it in the settings. So let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, we are provided with both IMEi numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now let's open the settings. Let's tap on them. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And as you can see, both IMEi numbers are displayed under the legal information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.